Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a power board on a Leader 120. Nice.
Hey everybody, and welcome to the Quadcopter review. I'm your host Betafpv, and today we're going to be looking at the Betafpv Beta 75X frame kit. Now if you need one of these as a replacement or to build your own 75mm frame, you can get one of these at the Betafpv store on Amazon. In the box you're going to get one 75mm brushless frame and 4 sets of props totaling 8. As always, you'll find a link to this product and many others in the description and in the comments below. Now let's talk a little bit about the specifications of this. Now this is made out of a soft, not rigid plastic. Motor to motor, you're looking at a true 75mm frame. It's using 8.5mm mounting holes. All of your 26 by 26mm Whoop light controller ESC combos will work on it. It has a wide battery slot designed for the 302S mAh battery, and it weighs 7.1 grams. Last but not least, this was designed for the 1103 11,000 kV Betafpv 2S brushless motor. At this point, that's working the best, but a clever guy can modify it to what they want. As always, guys, thanks for checking out the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and tell your friends.
Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.